This dish, we call it Lime Stone Tartlet. So we use the ingredient from natural ingredients. We're using flour, all-purpose rice flour. We have palm sugar, coconut milk, salt, egg yolks. So we combine it in together. We're using hand to mix it in because of if we use whisk, it creates the bubble, it creates so much air. We added in is the limestone water, which is more like a mineral alkaline to make the batter or to make the tart shell really crispy. So after I mix it in, I strain it off. I use the template, dip it into the batter. So slowly push it down and then press for like 5 seconds and then lift it up and it will come off and then continue cooking in the oil. The tartlet turn golden brown. Take them off, put it on the, sit on the basket to get all the drain of the oil. And then after it's done, you fill it with diced tuna, toasted coconut, we have peanut, we have lime, ginger, shallot, and then mix it in with the palm sugar and fish sauce, kind of like the syrup. You cook it in with all those toasted ingredients, add into the sauce, mix it in, put into the cup, and then you top it with the lime, fresh chili, and then top it with the toasted coconut. And then you have to have it in one bite. You get sour, you get spicy, you get salty, you get sweet, and then you get the heat coming like you have in Thailand in a bite.